reviewing the software site. I'm going to work on the parent company, understanding its capabilities, the target becoming the software companies consultants actually. So as a first step, I'm understanding the services it have. So it have a AI agents, data cloud products, digital engineering industries. So I'm going to learn the best practices and we'll bring into our website. Now, I'm thinking to use the MS Word document for capturing this information. So artificial intelligence, they are going with the three things. Okay. Right. Three things: AI model development, AML ops, data science factory, and AI agents. Next one is AI things enterprise agents. So I'm bringing this to here. So yeah. When you guys need to be super good in the formatting. Artificial intelligence, AI model development, AML labs. So this one, so maybe I can put the both actually, Excel and as well as the one here. For my custom art. Now we are saying, right, like for standard processes that we have custom. So I have a AI agents. Then enterprise AI agents. So my target to study the For this information, we have data cloud. Since data cloud, we have a data and cloud. We'll focus on studying these things actually. Yeah. So now, yeah, agents, we need to see what kind of the services I can, right, we can offer. So this session is good for the seniors or who are the domain. If you want to becoming a domain expert in the real estate, right, and e-commerce, we use the same techniques. It's empowering enterprises with the intelligence to and empowering enterprises with intelligent autonomous AI solutions. So here, and we'll try to understanding this one more thoroughly. And I'm capturing the bullet points so that I can create the so this is AI agents actually. Yes. So now AI agents, and so now I can understand this one and create the content. It's empowering the enterprise with the intelligent autonomous AI solutions. I can use ChatGPT to elaborate, but I will try to understand it from here. Okay. So explore our expertise, unlock power of AI. So what these guys trying to do is that they are focusing on the enterprise AI agents, ML development, ML operations, global factory, enterprise AI agents. So let's say AI agents are redefined. Sometimes this red one is explore that may have too much information. So AI agents are redefining business operations, enhancing decision making, streamlining workflows, transforming customer engagement. So this is what then built on domain trained LLMs or AI agents optimize enterprise infrastructure. Okay. So now my plan is that understanding the AI agents, so understanding the AI agents. So either I can put here or here, but let's enterprise agents. So that's the problem. So now in the enterprise agents, I'm going to highlight the important things we will use for the flight creating the one. So this one it is saying right now I'm not interested in the test. I'm interested only the empowering. I'm only interested in the points, the bullet points. Agents are redefining a business. So enhancing design. So AI agents are helping in the so AI agents assume that this is a redefining business operations. So assume that this is a column. So AI agents redefining business operations. So this can be uh, okay. So and enhancing decision making, streamlining the workflows, and transforming customer to service one. Okay. Redefining, enhancing decision making, streamlining workflows, and transforming customer engagement. So these are the benefits built on domain trained LLMs. So that is the target we need to check. So built on the domain. So we need to see how can we build on the domain trained right, so domain trained. So this one now I can so similarly I can create the ChatGPT, but have that right. So here, so now I'm saying the okay, right. So I'm understanding. So this one. Then I'll start from here. Right. So right to article for agents and so this one. So that's the first we want to understand agents empowering enterprises with intelligent autonomous solutions. So this one we will understand. Okay, so this I will bring this into the website and we will try to understanding this information. So in today's hyper-competitive digital landscape, enterprises are under unprecedented pressure to innovate faster, optimize operations, delivering an exceptional customer experience. Agents is transforming how modern, so these AI agents represent evolution of static software, dynamic digital workers. And what are the AI agents? AI agents are advanced software entities by LLMs, knowledge graphs, real data engines, workflow automation. So we'll create a samples for this. Okay. So we'll create a sample why agents are modern enterprise. So this is one we'll bring into our website. And our key thing is that we'll understand, okay, right? We'll understanding them and bring into the yeah. So now, so it knows so this one same article customized for, so this one, right? And this is our target. Okay. Yeah, right. So I can say, right. So, yeah, right. And it can create the more and more information and I'll bring this into the for accounting forms how it is using choose one or more. Then we can say, yeah, real estate agencies, cybersecurity, priority. So this is all we are good. So then maybe I can say, right, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then maybe I will say remaining 10. So now I'm learning. Okay, so I'm learning more and more. So now, um, right, so now, yeah, automated. Now, so these are the ones we'll do the deep research. So that's where we are positioning like our key thing. We'll bring this into the website and we'll study, we'll update actually. So these are the use cases and we can expand it little. So now we are understanding the, so I'm interested in remaining this also. Okay, right. So then I can say, I will stop here and I will say, uh, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, and right. So for the remaining ones, okay. So you will understand. Here, redefining business. So now we want understanding the how AI agents redefining business operations and enhancing decision making, streamline workflows, and transforming customer engagement. Okay, so this is I am interested actually. So in AI world, uh, the knowledge is right. So knowledge is coming to us. Yeah. So the next step, next article, I will write as a uh, yeah. So landing pages right now we are not going. In the future, if you want, we can go. So then I can say right. So right. But the key thing is that we will study them. Right. So that is the key thing. How I am going to study is that, let's say, maybe I will store this information in the, so I will store this information over here and to, here I'm going to transform this into the, and put my, I'll put my, this is my writing. Here, my responsibility is going to be, um, I'll bring this into the website, but like as I am the owner, I need to clean this one, clean multiple times. No, the review multiple times, making sure that every word is I am accountable. Okay, so every word is I am accountable. So 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 in today's I maybe simplify little bit if you need. So in today's hyper competitive digital landscape, enterprises are under unprecedented pressure to innovate faster. I will read. Okay. So I will read and I will make right if I think that something is very complex, not clear, and I will remove. Right. Right. Yeah. Right. Next 20 years and was transfer and no enabling systems are but so our key thing is that not for the marketing perspective, our key thing is that learning the subject actually. Right? So here, so next to the customer relating hyper competitive. So now I will update right in today's competitive digital space, enterprises are under pressure to innovate faster, optimize operations, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. And traditional automation helped, but it was not enough. The next frontier, AI agents, is transforming how a modern organizations work by enabling systems that are autonomous, intelligent, and self-learning and deeply integrated with the business processes. AI agents represent the evolution of static software to dynamic digital workers capable of performing complex tasks and decisions and coordinating with the workforce minimal human intervention. They are reshaping industries such as finance, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, right to the precision. What are the agents? Even I don't know what are the agents. So now I'm learning. Agents are advanced software entities powered by large language models, knowledge graphs, real-time data engines, and workflow automation. Here, and we'll study the quadrant and different tools to enabling these features. Unlike traditional rule-based bots, AI agents can understand the context and reason across the complex scenarios, take a action in the systems, APIs, database, CR, and emails and spreadsheets, right? Emails, and maybe I can say, right, or maybe I can say one job. So I can add, right? So this is, so it is helping, but we need to, right? We need to assume that we are writing actually. So learn from the past interactions, right? And maybe I can say, right, Drive or Google Drive, we can say, right? Something like this. So what are the agents matter, modern enterprises, and up. So these ones I will make sure that that will the future use orchestrations. Okay. And this is get the future lead automation. Yeah. So these are the ones now I will save this one and I will check. I know if we are, now we have a domain experts and I want them to read line by line and understanding and become the right our target to become the super experts, the consultants in those domains. So this is for seniors only, not the juniors. Unless until if the juniors are excel, then we can see. So next time doing the right, so this is the one where A agents one. So next I also captured the information on the right, so they tell the so tailored for so this one. So now I have a right. So these are the AI agents articles, and so this one. So now I can see this as a right, so yeah. So I don't I'm agents for domains I can call right, and I can call another ones in information. Maybe I can put a number so I can understand. So now, yeah, so this one I'm adding, and I have a right. So this is the one the agents for accounting forms. Now we can explain these are the benefits and what the key thing is that we need to touch every line. So I'll read later. If I think this punchline is good, I'll keep this one. This one, um, similarly for the education also, we write the textbooks with the AI. So with the so another key thing is that right. So I'm doing this one. I will make sure that I will read all these articles actually. Yeah, right. So back to SMBs. So this one, now here are five more. So here we need to remove. We're saying that AI is in cybersecurity. So here cyber threats are evolving faster than human teams can respond. Breaches now occur in a second, not in hours. AI agents improve security, autonomous detection. And for these use cases, yeah. So this is the second article. Second web was not article, right? So we'll wait the web page. So now we are understanding how enterprises are redefining the business operations and what are the enterprise agents and understanding the context. So this is a enterprise agents redefining business operations for autonomous. So this one now this is the article for next one, but we'll study. So target to capturing couple of bullet points, then studying them. Right. So studying them and we create even videos also. Uh, this is I think we'll remove the conclusions actually. So that's where I'm asking you guys to watch my. If I say one time, remove the Hadrat will watch, remove the conclusions, then that should come into experience document. So that is our learning part. Now we go into the so we go into the here. Enterprise agents that work for you. Create a measurable value with targeted, predictive, generative, agentic AI applications and accelerate sustainable growth. Right. Ultimately, our target is to create the demo site, create agents, right, enterprise AI agents. So here, our thing is that uh, so built on domain trained LLMs. So this is a very important one. Our AI agents optimizes enterprise functions. Um, so here we are saying enterprise agents optimize enterprise functions, delivering a superior outcomes while seamlessly integrating into the existing infrastructure. So I can see there is a potential for so this one, like how the domain trained. So that's where I want to pull some super smart release here. Now I'm saying the right article for built on domain train one. This is a very important one. Even This is the one I'm very interested in feel precision, accuracy, how domain trained LLMs are built. So we need to data collection, industry data sets, public regulatory documents, enterprise records. Need to give a message that we can build the domain trained LLMs and in terms of AI, model, and it's possible domain trained LLMs, accurate, reliable. So this one, and what are the domain trained LLMs, industry specific data sets, right, and modern enterprises, precision, accuracy, and the standards. So here, and into this one, don't put the user. So this is a super important tool for me to crack it. So I'll create a gamma and publish to the. We need to be right and super expert on so these areas, and I want to do the deep research. So I decided that I will take this one to expand and do the marketing actually. This is a wrong slide I selected. I'll fix it. Stop it, let it go. But we have a standard template to use that. So that is now I will publish after this call and yeah, and keep on understanding these subjects and optimize enterprise functions, delivering superior outcomes. Agents optimize enterprise functions, delivering superior outcomes while seamlessly. The key thing is that I'm interested that agents optimizing enterprise. So this one, so here's why seamless integrating these integrating into this is I'm interested actually. So how agents can optimize the enterprise functions into and to try to that one and more good. So my target maybe the Monish can create a custom one and we can use the insert template. But right now it's okay. Let's look the heartbeat one. We use the heartbeat. So this one I accomplished. Now I'll keep on learning the resilience for you and this one. So here, custom built AI agents for enterprise excellence. Generative AI is transforming the way the business custom built to AI agents for enterprise excellence. So now it is saying that it is giving us the hint saying that we can build the custom and right so for the custom built AI agents for the enterprises actually. So generative AI transforming the business operate, enabling smarter decision making, more efficient to processes. Personally developed for synthesizing information, AI agents now extend their capabilities for reasoning, managing enterprise workflows. So this is the one we need to understanding the reasoning and just so this is the main advantage and reasoning and managing the right? Enterprise workflows. So, significantly impacting areas such as a customer support, field service, professional consulting. Okay. Right? So, so that workflows are affecting the, when I say column, that means indirectly that is a the new column. So customers, so we need to understanding custom built agents for enterprises, how the reasoning and enterprise workflows can help in the consulting built on domain trained to LLM, so that we already understanding what is the domain trained to LLMs, modern organization, which are trying understanding. Okay, so variety. So this is all the important. Um, Now we have been considering built on domain trained LLMs, so tailored for your needs. Our AI agents are designed to optimize every phase operations, making it faster, smarter, more effective. It will see understanding that. So built to um, right. So that's important. Built on seamless, right? So agentic solution development, and so these are the things we need to understand, right? So now, so now I'm going to the next one. We are seeing the, right? So this one, we are seeing what is the agent solution development NSR can provide. NSR can provide agent to, so we design, so that's where we are trying to design and build a specialized agents for enterprise automation, efficiency, personalized interactions towards the customer. So now enterprise automation, efficiency, personalized interactions. Enterprise covers the customer support, the sales assistance, field service, process orchestration, compliance monitoring, and IT operations, delivering intelligent context-aware agent that enhance business performance. The context agents enhance business operations. Yeah. So this is what we are trying actually. Right. So this is one we are trying. So then agentic solutions and agentic platform development. Agentic platform development. So where we empower enterprises. Let's see, can we need to target and this one, right? Enterprise. I forgot this is a old. So now, right? And we import enterprise build, yeah, enterprise to build to enterprise to build a scalable production grade agentic platforms by okay, right, production grade, build scalable production grade agentic platforms, designing it's a robust to agentic reference architectures, right, platforms. So those are the things. Production grade platforms, designing a robust reference architectures, and we don't say references, designing robust architectures. So that's where you'll understand, right? Implement a tailored platform aligned with implement to tailored platform aligned with the business goals, comprehensive including implementation countries. So then we say uh, the implementation, continuous optimization, operational support, enabling organizational agent-driven ecosystems so confidently. Yeah. So these two is important for me. And so that's the one uh, business. So here we are understanding the right, how the enterprising, how it can integrate into the finance accounting optimizations. So then, okay, so how it is helping. So and this one, now I have is this one. So this my thing is that we remove the conclusion also. Yeah. So this one, so next I will understand the architecture design consulting. Right. So how the architectural design consulting is important in the design consulting, and so that's what we need to provide the strategic architecture consulting to uncover high impact to agentic use cases. Uh, and so design, uh, right? So design solutions that are scalable, secure, um, let's say scalable and secure, or expert to or expert assessments uh, help organization validate design choices. So we need to help organizations in validate the design choices. We need to give the choices and optimizing system performance and accelerate the AI adoption journey. Uh, so these are the key things actually. So that one I will create a article. So I'm going to stop right now. So you can see my um, again, so I'm going to publish this one. So we have a standard process to publish. So again, I'm going to read every line. So every line I'm going to read and publish. Okay, thank you. For the other part, everything.